Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize watermark settings for your Canva designs. I love this a lot because when you want to customize your watermark settings or when you want to apply watermarks to your designs, it gives you that idea of ownership. It's like, yes, I own this design. So no matter where I share it to, nobody can steal any part of my design because it is my intellectual property. Canva allows you to do that. So this is exactly what you can do to create a customized watermark in Canva. So I'm going to open up a design that I have just done recently. It's going to take me to the editing suite. Yeah, so I'm just going to have to exit all this. So all the elements right here are going to load up, and once they are done loading, we're definitely going to get right into it. I love this particular topic. I love it a lot. All right, so let's say this is a design that I'm working on, and if I push out the design, anybody can just replicate it. Oh, all right, but then I want to own this with every fiber of my being. Here is how I can get the watermark done. So first off, I have to add a text. Now head over to this left corner and click on text. So my text is going to be a heading. So add a heading. So I'm going to open that. I'm going to click on that to add a heading. So the name of my brand is Amy's Store. So that's Amy's Store, right? And that's already here. As you can see, this is definitely not a watermark. It's definitely not a watermark, but I want to just make this Amy's Store, fitting everywhere. So first off, I'm gonna have to head over to the top right corner where you find transparency. This is just the trick. So click on transparency and reduce the transparency of this design. So let's say I want to leave it here. I want it to be as faint as possible, but not too faint. Okay, I think that this is just cool. All right. So here, I'm just going to see if I can, of course, rotate, rotate that text. Okay. Not seeing that rotate option, but all right. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, so this is rotating. So I want to rotate it because I just want it to like be slanty. All right, so that's one. And then next I'm going to increase this text. So this is 162. We're going for 200, man. Yes, 200. I'm going to punch that up. So this is 200 already. So I'm going to have to like just stretch this so that it can be aligned. All right. So here, I'm going to move this right into the design. Okay. I think it's still quite loud. So I'm just going to head over to transparency again and reduce it. So I think this should work. Yeah, this should work. So, or this works rather. So I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to click on this duplicate option and you see it's been duplicated. So I'm just going to like bring it again and duplicate it again and duplicate it again and duplicate it again. So there's like one here. Then duplicate it. You can come up somewhere here, duplicate it again, and it's there. So here, I'm gonna move this and move this. Take this as well and pick this up. Pick this up. Because I just want everything to have that Amy's Store. I don't want any part. I'm gonna duplicate again to be here. Awesome. Strikes me as a good deal. So like, let me see the person that will want to come and steal my design. I want to be able to take any part of it because everything has the signature of Amy's Store. And that strikes me as a freaking good deal. All right, so I'm just trying to like align everything, to the entire design. So that's it. Now, if you still want to make it faint, just go ahead and click on the text and head over to transparency and you can make it fainter. That's like 0. So let's just like or 2. You can take it to 2. These are the ones are 4. You can take it to 2 and and just be cool with it. So this is pretty much how you can customize your watermark in Canva. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.